Hello fellow Clasher, this is Clasher Dipesh and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a Yeti match strategy with super archers from my Town Hall 14 account, and I have brought 3 clone spells, and you can see there I didn't bring any siege machine, although I bring a furnace that I'm going to do a clone in the base. So let's do this wonderful attack in Town Hall 16. This is going to be a war attack, and if you have good level of heroes and good level of equipment pets, then you can definitely use this army. It will conquer any base 3-star. So let's do this wonderful attack. And thank you everyone for the 3000 subscriber, and if we reach 5000 subscriber till the end of this year, then I will be doing 5 gold pass giveaway for our lucky viewers. Talking about the strategy, I have put in my clan castles from the 9 o'clock side, and I will be doing clone to these fire mines. This will give me a lots of funneling from that side, and from the another side I will be dropping my queen, and from the middle of it I will display all my Yetis and super archers heroes and dropping my spells regularly. It will conquer the base easily 3-star.